Hey, Carissa, how you doing? Are you good? I have you. I am here. I'm delivering a package to your mommy. So, so I am serious. I am doing a video. I'm gonna send the video to you. You want to switch to video? You want to switch to video call? Yeah, let's switch to video call. Yeah, you know, so we're switching. Yeah, the dog in the back. Carissa, who who is that? Guys, Carissa is all the way in London. You're still in the UK, in England, right? Come know, so you travel all over the place, probably the France or wherever. Yeah, yeah. So your mommy get the package. I'm gonna make sure I call you, right? You see, she pose with it. You're more than welcome. We're happy. We could be a bridge, so you could reach mommy, right? Yes, ma'am. Say that again. Them not hear you. Say that. That was quick. I say yes. Say quick. She said that was quick. Yeah, mommy. Why you know I'm use as advertisement? Your mommy no want we use it as advertisement. Eh? She said she not fix up. Your mommy, your mommy they are beautiful. The sun are radiate upon her and she has said she not beautiful. She not fix up. You ever hear that yet? Look how she look. Look how she nice. Jesus. All right, Carissa. You're more than welcome. More than say bye bye to your mommy. All right. Take care of yourself here. All right. And send little tea for me, okay? You're more than welcome. All right. Yeah, we do. There's a card on the back there. See it right here? If you get somebody to sign up, we'll give you a free 5 pound coupon and we'll give the person a free 5 pound coupon. So go ahead, give them this card and you're set. Exactly. You don't want. Yeah, man, we ship them for you, man. We ship them for you. All right? All right, thank you so much. Take care. All right, God bless you too. All right, Jermaine, we're good? Good, good. Oh. So, so guys, you see it, we do it live, we do it for you. As I said, you don't have to be in Jamaica, you can be overseas, and we're gonna get your item shipped, right? And delivered to your mommy, or your daddy, or your auntie, or your cousin here in Jamaica. Alright guys, love you no much. I'm gonna say all of the Jamaicans them who overseas, big up on yourself. We love the fact that when I reach out back to yard, right? When I reach out back, even especially in these times, when I send the items them, and we love the fact that we get to deliver them to your loved one's doorstep conveniently, in a style. Sometimes we call on up on the WhatsApp, we're gonna talk to them on the WhatsApp video. You don't know it already. So big up on yourself. All Jamaicans, big up on yourself. Love you know. And if you're a Jamaican living in Jamaica, don't worry yourself, you can still join us and we're going to ship your packages and we're going to come deliver them to you too. Alright? So you're not there far. We're going to treat you good same way. Alright? Thank you guys. Bye bye. Catch you later.